Every time we breathe, we inhale around 500 ml of air that carries oxygen to our lungs. But this air also contains impurities and invisible harmful particles such as minute dust particles, pollen, smoke, etc., which are very harmful for the human body. Although the nature has provided us with the natural breathing filters in the form of microfibers called cilia in the respiratory tract, but with time and aging, these filters start saturating and become less effective in purifying the inhaled air. Prestige introduces Sharp's high-efficiency particulate air filters, HEPA, the latest and the most efficient mechanical air filter that works by forcing the air through a fine mesh that traps harmful particles such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites and smoke. It works like the lungs filters and provides clean ambient air. Thus, it reduces stress and loads on the lungs, keeping you healthy with purified air. The major advantage of this high-tech HEPA filter is its replacement after optimized usage. So, how to know when it's the time to replace the HEPA filter? Let's find out. For your understanding, we will do a physical inspection. This is new HEPA filter, white in color. Your new filter will look like this. This filter is totally used up, turned blackish in color. It is now time to replace this filter as its efficiency is at the lowest and may allow pollutants to pass through, resulting in not so clean air. Remember, the HEPA filter's life cycle starts once it is unpacked. Even if it is unused, it may lose its efficiency in a period of time. So, it is highly recommended that you unpack the HEPA filter only before using it in the air purifier and keep changing it at regular intervals for best results. You should also replace your carbon filter every year. Remember, the HEPA filter is the core of air purifier, so ensure you have it changed at regular intervals. Always remember, unclean air causes damage to the body and may worsen one's health condition in long run. So keep yourself and your family safe and healthy using Sharp air purifier with HEPA filter replaced on a regular interval.